Welcome to the most magical place on earth, in my opinion, Epcot. Ooh, I'm so excited to explore today. Oh, this is my absolute favorite park. So let's have some fun, eat some good eats, and see what's what. Because you know we're gonna find what's good.
I already checked in, that's the reason why.
Yay, my favorite place. I love it so much. It really is my favorite park and I love it so much. I didn't think I would be teary-eyed. That's so beautiful. Why is it that this is more magical to me than the Magic Kingdom? It's my favorite. I don't know what it is about that stupid ball that gets me. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's the most magical place that we've ever been. Look, I mean, look at this architecture here. She's a beauty, isn't she? Spaceship Earth has always been such a massive inspiration to me. When I was in interior design school, I had to do a special project on structural systems, which included the geodesic sphere. And so I built one, my own mini Spaceship Earth. And it's just so special to me. Every time I come, it just reminds me of my design background and how much I love how this park always evolves. And I can't even speak straight, I'm like choking up.
You know what's going to happen next.
But I like to pretend.
And may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey,
this is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, keep going where you're from. While the input design travel on the map.
Look, we live here.
Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team, and survive together. Now we can hunt as a team. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on Caipirinha. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever.
Hieroglyphics.
This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flat is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilizations. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Track the Phoenicians. they invented it. The ancient Greeks were great inventors of the future. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an intriguing new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans create a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they build a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, and it's leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Books, it seems, were just the beginning. Now communication technology races headlong into the future, and soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before. By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else.
Of course, small step for man, but giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in the future, your home in the city will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want. Almost as soon as you do. Your closet will be like a personal stylist, picking outfits based on your preferences and what's on your calendar for the day. Now that's a smart look. Your smart home has everything organized to help you start your day. The world will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network lets you view your daily planner almost anywhere. And since you don't enjoy cleaning, robotic housekeepers will help you with your daily chores.
Thank you.
Your smart home will know when it's time for you to leave, and it'll know what you need to take with you. Sometimes even before you do. Of course, your smart home has already booked you a ticket on the magnetic hover train, while you relax and enjoy a beautiful view of the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
This shop we've always had good luck with, so let's stop in here and see if we can find something fun. Oh, so good to see that.
Get some tissue.
I know.
Oh, look at the food and wine thing.
Oh my God.
Look at those bags.
Look at these. Little cup. Oh my God. It's got Remy. Remy. And what is it? Is it for your cup? You put your cup in there?
Oh, look.
Oh my God. Meep, meep, meep. I don't know if that's the right thing he said. Meep,
That's a great
beep,
bag.
beep. I love that.
Speaker.
It's Beaker, but I don't know. Doctor something? Look at these fun things. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love that. How much is this frame? $34.99, and it has a mirror on the back. Oh, look at these guys. It's Bruno. They clip. They clip.
He didn't clip them very well.
There he is. He's hanging out for the day. Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
They have Crush. Or that's his name, Crush?
Crush.
I'm
Yeah,
really
it's
bad
Crush.
today at
That's
remembering.
Crush.
Crush.
Those are
We
cute.
going on the Pacific
They're not too
Ocean.
expensive either.
Oh, look at these cute bags. Little coin purse with the Mickey donut. This is nice. Wait, this isn't a coin purse. What's in here? It's a tote. You can unzip this, and there's a tote inside. I love that. That's so
Serve the tote.
handy. So there you go. Packable tote, and it's super compact. You can throw it in a bag and have a bag ready to go. How much are these? These are no money. These are,
Don't say it.
I will never say it because I work in retail. These are not free. They have a price and they deserve to be paid for. Oh my God, and they have Remy. And they have the little orange bird.
Look, but look at the new backpack.
Oh yeah.
You need a new backpack.
I do need a new backpack. This is nice.
It's really nice.
I'm not sure what that would be for, but you could probably pack like a towel or something there. Side pockets. Gotta have that. Oh, look at this. It snaps, and you've got an extra pocket, and you can put like utensils or something there. That's very cute. I love that.
Oh, look, they got a cross bag.
They have a crossbody? Oh. Cute. Nice and insulated. You got a couple separate compartments in here. And then this outer part, which snaps together, magnet. You can fit a lot of stuff in this little bag. And then it just straps around your waist. Oh, what?
Oh, it has a place for your ears.
You have a place for your ears. Oh, so that's what this is, right here. Right here, you put your ear bands right in there. That's fabulous. Now let's try some festival favorites. A potato pierogi with kielbasa and sour cream and caramelized onions. So we've got the potato pierogi with a little bit of caramelized onions in a kielbasa and then drizzled with some sour cream. So let's see how it is. I love pierogies, so I'm very excited to see how this tastes. Gotta grab a little bit of the onion. Mmm. Pierogi is really good. The onions are very sweet. Could be a little warmer. It's not very warm. Let's try the kielbasa. The kielbasa is great. It's grilled. It's perfect. It's a great accompaniment to the pierogi. Very happy. One more bite?
No, you're all you.
All for me. That was a nice, tasty treat. Now we got to see what we're going to do next. Let's go join Moana and her friends. Hi. Aloha. It's the heart of Tahiti. Rain. Misty. It's recirculated. I made music. They make music. They all play music. I love a rainforest. I don't know how you actually control it. Stand. Oh. Climb higher. It's just like the ocean. I have water powers. I love it. Oh, look at that. Hurt. Oh, it Alright, let's do it again. Yes! Oh my god! Look at the water, it's just going everywhere. That's my girl right there. Mwah. This represents the sky. That was awesome. All right, from the Flavors of Fire, we have the Montreal-style burger slider. It's got plant-based beef with cheddar, tomato jam, bib lettuce, and garlic aioli. We'll open it up so you can see inside. And now we're gonna cut in half to share. Here's the inside of the burger. There you go. Dropping stuff out. It tastes like beef. It is messy.
Yeah.
It's got some sweet flavors in there with the jam. It's good.
Is it great?
No, it's not the best thing ever.
No. Looks like a meatball. It literally looks like a meatball. Okay. It's not bad. It's not the greatest though. Has a weird texture to it too. But there's more bread than meat. I don't know that I get this again for $6.
This is from Gyozas of the Galaxy. We got the street corn style dumplings with chicken dumplings with tomatillo, salsa verde, street corn salad, crema, and cilantro. Let's check it out.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get a little bit of everything in here. Very tasty, very cold,
That's
but
cold.
very tasty.
Dang.
Yes, these dumplings are not hot at all. I don't know if that's on purpose. The tomatillo sauce and the corn salsa is very good. But yeah, it's not very hot at all. It's delicious.
Very good. Very cold, but very good. Let's try the second one. Maybe it's warmer. Nope. It's not. It's a shame too, because I bet it would be delicious if it was warmer. Let's try a little bit with everything on there.
Get a closer look.
It's super. It is really good.
The corn salsa is really good though. Oh,
Look, there's another bite.
another bite.
What the heck?
The cheese is good, the corn salsa is good, the tomatillo is good. Even the pot sticker or dumpling is good. It's just not warm. Watch the transformation. There's a British telephone booth. I wonder what will happen. Nothing happened. What's going on here? This is a bunch of rubbish. So we're here in the UK, England, and we're gonna go just north of Rose and Crown. We're gonna get some fish and chips. It's the only thing you have to get while you're here. Fish and chips. Fish and chips.
One fish and chips.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Wow, look at that. Mmm. So now let's break into this delicious fried fish. It's delicious fried fish. So you can see the insides of this beautiful beer battered cod. Look at that. All right, now for a bite. Got the crunchy end with no fish.
There's more crunchy and no fish.
Look at that.
That's the chips. That's just chips. Those are delicious, though.
Mmm. Very crunchy, but no fish. Mmm. Okay, now I think we have a bite of fish.
Do you know?
Look at that lovely lump of fish. Into the tartar sauce. It's hot. It's very hot, which I like that it's warm because I love warm food. Now for a chip. Mmm. Perfect.
What in the heck?
We're being stalked by Disney
We're
ducks.
being stalked. All we're trying to do is eat our fish and chips. And these duckies, they just gotta have some. Yeah, that's right. Keep walking. Keep walking.
It's Donald and Daisy.
Melissa and I, whenever we come to Epcot, we always have to have fish and chips. And it is amazing. Mm. Mm. It's the best fish and chips. I would say even outside a theme park, you cannot find something as good as this. So good. I'm gonna do another one. You might not get any more.
Would you like some tea? Would you like a spot of tea? Please, let me pour you a cup. The toy soldier. Let's go in here.
Come on, Dad.
Oh my goodness! Eeyore! And look at the pillow. Today is my new favorite day. Oh my goodness! Look at the Loungefly. Disney parks. And I like that they put the pocket here. That's nice, because some of them don't have pockets, and I really prefer the ones that do have that extra pocket in the beginning, in the front. Oh, look at these cute mugs. Pooh and Piglet. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. The 100-acre wood. That is so cute. Look, there's Kanga and Roo. Oh no. I love the feel of this one. It feels like a neoprene. We've got a pocket in the front, which we know I love. Very cute. Disney Parks by Lug. And then we've got 2 zippers. I love compartments. We've got a small one in the front. Probably enough to hold like an iPad or something. And then a bigger one in the back with like a little pocket in the back. Ooh, I love that. And then expandable side pockets. This is a very functional bag. I love that. And what are we? $90. Very similar to a Loungefly. We can fly, we can fly, we can fly. Let's try Brazil's national cocktail with a twist of frozen Caipirinha. Thank you. Let's take it over here. The frozen Caipirinha. It's made with cachaça rum, which is a Brazilian rum made from sugarcane, and it's delightful. I've never had a frozen version like this, but this is very refreshing. In our favorite World Showcase country, Japan. We love the architecture and the culture and of course everything Kawaii. I know. Now let's go do some shopping. We're in Japan. Mitsukoshi.
Yeah.
Mitsu. Look at puppies. Shiba Inus. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, look at all the Shiba Inus. They're so adorable. Look, they're all dressed up for Halloween. Batsmaroo. We got all the Hello Kitty friends. That's Tokidoki.
It is. Oh, look, they got Christmas.
Karomi, my mellow, and a cupcake. Who's you? Oh, it's another Tokidoki. Hello Kitty.
Hi, Tokidoki.
Oh, look at these Tokidoki keychains. Those are cute. Oh, they got Donatella. Love that. Cinema roll. He's a little sailor. It's Toad. Oh my goodness. It's a power-up mushroom. Hey, did they steal this from Alice in Wonderland? You eat it and you get big. Just saying.
Just saying.
Just saying. He's cute. Miku, Miku, do 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 do. Whee! Hatsune Miku. Oh, we got drummers. Hey. And it's Pachaco. Whereas they call him Pachocho. Pachaco.
Inside joke.
Ooh, Gudetama. He's a spicy little egg.
Look at this wonderful thing.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that is really spectacular. So detailed.
And then there's this one.
The ice cream truck. That looks like two of them because that only shows the ice cream truck. It doesn't show the Hello Kitty's books. Look at this cute little goodie. He's trying to exercise, but he's so lazy. But look at his butt. He really tried, Goody. Oh my.
That's scary. That's frightening.
Is it frightening?
No, you just did. There, that's better.
Cute.
Doki Doki. These are
Doki Doki. Doki Doki.
Harajuku.
Nice.
Look.
Oh, look, this bag has a little pocket in it. Very cute.
Look what the shirt says.
Yes, Kawaii is art. It is. And look at all the cute little things that are in there.
We love Kawaii.
Who's this? Is this Studio Ghibli stuff? It's Kiki's delivery service. Oh, my neighbor Totoro. Oh, this bag is so soft. Totoro. Very cute, and it's actually quite deep. Very nice little makeup case. There we go. It's a trick zipper. He's so squishy. Squishy. Oh, look, and Spirited Away. Love that. Rilakuma. What? It's a pocket where you can save things. Rilakuma. He's dressed like a chicken. Like Pew Pew. Oh, these are little babies. Cinnamon roll. And pom pom pine. And Karomi. They're cute little babies. They're all attached. I want one of every one of these rice bowls. I love the blue and white. Oh, they have cute little sake sets. Cute little sake.
How much are those?
$44.95. That's not bad. For a cute little sake set. Oh. I need training chopsticks. But I want one with a ninja on it. Ninja training chopstick. That would be perfect. That is a beautiful tea set. So they were saying that there are no handles on real Japanese teacups so that you hold it with two hands and you enjoy it more slowly, which I think is a really nice tradition. That's my kind of umbrella. Is it an umbrella? Is it? You'll never know. These are so cute. I love these. I just love little bags of all sorts. That is so adorable. I really love it. I really love it. Oh, look at this little girl. Akihabara Ni Hao. I like this one. I might buy this. They're only $7.95. I'm gonna get one of these because you can always have like extra little bags for when you travel.
Yeah.
This would be cute for jewelry or something.
Yeah.
Very cute. Oh my god, but look at these. Look at these cute little bags.
Yeah.
How much are these? $20. And they have a nice little clip. That's very cute. Look at that. It's a volcano. Aww. It's a beautiful work
Very
of
nice.
art.
To the great gathering. We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors. Our family. Nuestra familia. We begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melody.
And that's what's good at Epcot. We tried some delicious treats, visited countries from around the world, and we had a great time. Thank you for joining us on this amazing day.